Every Thursday, the U.S. Drought Monitor releases a map that looks like this, showing the level of drought for all 50 states and its territories. But let's learn more about all these levels and their impacts in this week's Weather IQ. When looking at a Drought Monitor map, white means all is well, but the precursor to drought is D0 or abnormally dry. This means lawns may be turning yellow to brown. After this, drought becomes official. Moderate drought, D1. This is typically the point where farmers start noticing impacts to crops and may impact their overall yield. Severe drought, D2. Crop losses can become more widespread. Water conservation measures may be implemented to hold on to more water, and burn bans are more likely to prevent wildfires. Extreme drought, D3. Water restrictions tend to shift from voluntary to mandatory if not already in place. Stream levels are extremely low. Lower lake levels may completely close some recreation areas. The worst case scenario of all of it is D4, exceptional drought. At this point, our daily lives are affected from mandatory restrictions, preventing you from watering your yard or even washing your car. Farmers suffer substantial losses, and this could affect grocery store prices. Reservoirs are low, well water is low, and a town or city's water supply becomes critical. So how do you overcome drought? The obvious answer is more rain, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. Winter is the best time to replenish rainfall since vegetation doesn't need water like it does in spring. The general rule is slow and steady lessens the drought. A slow rain over a long period will soak into the water table compared to a heavy rain where a lot of it runs off. Drought over long term can weaken trees, affecting fall foliage and making them more susceptible to storm damage. So thanks for raising your Drought IQ with me. I'm meteorologist Chris Mulcahy.